Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NWBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, so that's where all these red and green line annotations are coming from, but definitely want to get things updated here. Although update's probably not the right word, maybe more so confirmation would be an accurate term, because the levels that I've talked about in past videos have definitely all confirmed or been confirmed as, having important levels for the chart. And that first kind of quote-unquote confirmation point is in regard to the red line right up here, which I talked about in yesterday's video of, an area of resistance at 25.5 cents. And sure enough, today, you can see that this was definitely confirmed as an area of resistance. Got rejected right there. And then during the final portion of the day, tried to get up above it. Temporarily got above it, but it was very short-lived, and then the price fell back below it. So, yeah, like I said, 25.5 cents, I would definitely say it's safe to, say that going forward, this is confirmed as a level of resistance, and that this is definitely going to be public enemy number one in the short term. From the grand scope of things perspective, still, as I talked about a couple days ago, yeah, 28 cents is still that overall area of resistance, but really no point at all right now in talking about 28 cents until this first stubborn level down here at 25.5 cents can be broken. So 25.5 definitely, like I said, confirmed as resistance. On the flip side of things, the one level that has been certainly confirmed as support, which isn't really too shocking, especially if you follow and understand charts, but is that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. As I've talked about in past videos time and time again, as long as the price stays above that level, then from the grand scope of things perspective, the bulls are in full control. So a very good sign here that, like I said, bounced off it right there. Talked about that in yesterday's video. But then today, once again, price got near that level. And then as that purple line continues to move upwards, you can see the bulls continue to just, quietly move themselves upwards too. Yeah, they're struggling with 25.5 cents, but taking a step back, looking at the grand scope of it all, the price is staying above that purple line, and that's what you want to continue to see happen going forward. So 50-period simple moving average, definitely level of support, 25.5 cents. Confirmation level as resistance. So we'll see how the week closes out on Friday. Remember, the markets are closed tomorrow, so have a happy Thanksgiving. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.